Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Monday, December 24th, 2018. Merry Christmas Eve to you. So we have a few things I want to talk about. Some of it is so important, people, so sit down and pay attention to what's going on around us. I did 2 videos over this weekend where I tried very hard to put a perspective on what's going on around the world. I mean, we are in crisis. This is not just an issue here in a third world country or in some other part of the world. It's hitting us home right here. As I am doing this video blog, stocks are down across the board. Dow Jones Industrial Average is down about 300 points. What nobody is talking about, and this is huge, nobody's talking about it. I mean, you could turn on the Confederacy of Dunces channels, but again, this seems to be slipping their mind. How about this? Since the announcement of the Fed rate hike, which was an absolute joke, you know, they did a 25 basis point hike to the federal funds rate. Well, since that day, let's see what has happened. How about rates have gone down? Yeah. Who said they would do that? Well, yeah, maybe I did. I outlined this for you exactly. I told you all that I expected that bond yields would drop, and they have. No one's talking about it, but we got this rate hike. Explain that one to me. Or have the Confederacy of Dunces pick one. You know, why don't they elaborate on what's going on here? The U.S. 10-year yield is 2.76 as I am doing this video blog. The entire curve continues to flatten out. It's tremendous. I cannot stress this enough. You know what else is tremendous? How about the dollar? The U.S. dollar, supposed to be a safe haven play, is getting slammed today, despite the fact that stocks are down again. And geopolitical risk keeps rising, but the dollar is down. This, to me, and should be to you, a huge red flag that something very, very bad is unfolding here. Now, let's talk about this. I had to write it down. Over the weekend, Treasury Secretary Mnuchin, I really can't stand this guy. I can't. He's such a liar. It's the truth. This guy went out of his way. Now, this is important, to contact 6 of the Wall Street major banks. Here they are: Bank of America, Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, and Wells Fargo. He contacted the CEOs of these banks to make sure, this is the rumor, to make sure that they were, they had enough capital on hand in case of another financial crisis. Now, here's the issue with what Mnuchin did. It's the job of the Federal Reserve to run these stress tests. You know, we just had a stress test, and the banks came through, again, of course, with flying colors. Oh, they're very well liquefied. This is the Federal Reserve. Oh, banks can handle another crisis. Well, really, then why did Mnuchin go out of his way this weekend to, you know, make sure that this was the case? Let me tell you why. We witnessed the same thing in 2008 as well. And this is almost like the kiss of death. When you have this kind of action, and then you're told, oh, everything is just fine, that means everything is not fine. You understand? So this is some kind of a thing going on, people, and I have outlined this for you over the entire weekend. Please watch the 2 videos I did, my Saturday special and my Sunday special, so you can really get your head around what's happening. This is just plain ugly, what we're witnessing here. So let's just kind of summarize here real quick. Stocks are down across the board. Dollar getting slammed, although it's supposed to be a safe haven asset. Federal Reserve raises rates, but yields are dropping. You almost have to laugh. You can't make this up. I mean, go look at it for yourself. No one wants to talk about it. The Confederacy of Dunces, every single one, they seem to be oblivious to it, but you're not. We got the Treasury Secretary meeting with 6 CEOs of Wall Street's largest banks. They're trying to tell us everything is fine. Stocks are fairly valued. Ignore the yield curve. Don't worry about what's going on in other parts of the world. No. None of this matters at all. Oh, and also all the other geopolitical risks that's going on. Oh, ignore that too. It doesn't matter. Middle class is getting set up big time, and I know you get it. All right, look. Today is Christmas Eve. It's a short trading day, and this is going to be the only video that I do today. Tomorrow, the market is closed. I'm having a nice day off to relax and just enjoy life. So, I'm not going to say this will be my last video, although I just said that, but unless something dramatic happens, this will in fact be my last video until Tuesday when the market opens, but who knows? I'll tell you, things are happening so fast right now, just like we all knew it would. Interesting stuff. Anyway, look, all of you, if I don't see you until Wednesday, have a great Christmas, a great holiday. I love all of you from the heart, and I mean that so completely. It's the truth. Love each other, care about each other, be charitable, and I'll see you, well, either Wednesday morning or sooner.